Okay, I loaded the Mega Man Star Force 3 sound font on S4 Nonzo, whatever that is. Okay, so let's try out the bass. It's gonna be audio only, so you're not gonna see anything. So I have volume full up. Let's try bass. Oh gosh! Oh no! Oh dearie me! This is not gonna go so well. Okay, let's try. Let's try out other instruments. Let's see. What others do we have here? I think no, I don't want. I don't want to empty a file. Let's see, bass. Here is bass. You can use the arrow keys. You get bass too. Oh jeez. That's the weirdest bass I ever heard. What the crud? Okay, some instruments, some MIDI instruments does have a bass like that. Okay, that's bass number 1. Okay. Oh wait, synth bass. Alright. Ooh. Resonance bass. Okay. Got a little bit of a sawtooth wave to it. Pluck. Would have been cool if it ever did show a waveform, so it can actually show the sawtooth and other waveforms. If it does have a waveform generator, or, well, not exactly a waveform generator, but if it does show a waveform screen, then it would probably show what type of wave. For example, the resonance bass actually is a sawtooth based wave. Let's do pluck. Oh yeah, pluck bass sounds pretty good. Ooh, metallic drums. Ooh. Oh gosh, I didn't even know. Ooh. Yeah. Ow. Let's do violin. I didn't even know. Yeah. Why am I back to resonance bass? Why? Vocal-like. Yeah. Never heard them in some parts of the songs. Strong synths, I wonder. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that was actually used in the synths. That was actually used in most part of the songs, and even including Way Battle songs. Yeah. Oh, piano, oh. That's the weirdest piano I ever heard with the crud. It kind of works. Bloop. Okay, if it does play something cringy and something I've heard familiar from the game, I'm gonna run away. Oh! What? Okay, I guess the sustained synth lead actually caused me to run away. Okay, synth. I swear. If I were to do something like this. I wonder what the string synthesis. Okay. Okay. Mind the fireworks, it's 4th of July, and I'm wondering why you want to do something like this, in 4th of July. Flutes, what is this? That's a weirder sounding flute. It doesn't even sound like a flute, it sounds more like a sine wave. I guess that's probably what digital flutes would probably sound like in the MIDI pad, and chords. Raw synth, I wonder what that would be. Haha. Okay, yeah, pretty basic. Some chord synths actually does have some raw synths that does sound like that. Ah! What? This is exactly why I should have lowered the volume. Because if I could choose some different type of synth leads or synth plucks, I know that some ones that are familiar from the game would honestly kind of shock me. Oh, this is not gonna go. I told you before that it would happen, and it's gonna happen. Dear. Sorry, I'm just not over it. This is new. Well, hearing it from the games is not new, but hearing it in them alone, raw, that's new. And that's what causes me to go into shock. Okay, synth strings. That's what synth strings would be. Okay, don't give me that pop-up, please don't give me that pop-up. Okay, synth leads, Okay, it's starting to get to me. Synth lead 4. That was synth lead 3. Oh, synth lead 4, it's still the same. Flute. Okay, that's a real flute. Pretty mellow. High hum. Okay. Nice. It's starting to get to me. As long as I don't lose control. Oh, square sounds. Oh. That was also from the original square bass. That's still the same thing. That is still the same thing. Synth leads. Okay, I think I reached the loop. All right. I can't. Okay, I think I'm done here. I am dying. The heck. Oh.